guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another clean with me video. Today we are cleaning my extremely messy office because you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, my sticker shop has been really busy lately, which is awesome, but that also means that cleaning is kind of on the back end of things. And so my office looks like a disaster. I know some of you don't like these cleaning videos and some of you love them. I think what I've decided to do, I asked you guys in a poll, like, should I separate things? Should I not? It's been very 50-50. So what I'm going to do, and I know that this is gonna upset some people, and I'm really, really sorry. I have thought about this for a very, very long time. This wasn't just a, snap decision. This has been something that I've literally been thinking about pretty much the entire year. And I think that I'm going to start a separate channel that is strictly cleaning stuff, because I want this channel to be sticker shop content, and I feel like that's why a majority of you guys are subscribed. You found me through like my Etsy vlogs or my sticker shop videos and stuff like that. And so I want to give you guys that content that you actually subscribed for. And I'm very passionate about cleaning and organizing, but I think it's just best if I split those two. And this channel becomes more business minded, like a business type of channel where I talk about my business. I kind of show you guys behind the scenes. I help you guys if you're wanting to start a sticker shop, that sort of thing. And I have my plan with me's because I do feel like that wraps up into everything. Since I own a sticker shop, I feel like that flows, but I don't feel like cleaning videos flow. And so I wanted to keep everything on one channel because I just thought it was easier, but at the same time I have so many ideas for both channels that I just felt like I was gonna clutter up this channel with cleaning videos, and I know that's not everyone's cup of tea. I know that some people have said that they don't want to see that, and I really do think a majority of you guys are here for sticker videos, because anytime I ask for video suggestions, that's the kind of video suggestions that I get. It's all about sticker shops. It's all about wanting to know how to do this or that, which I love. I'm not complaining about. I love where this channel has gone, but on the same hand, when I started this channel, it had nothing to do with stickers. It had nothing to do with anything like that. I started as a makeup channel, and I kind of evolved into like a lifestyle channel. And the thing that actually made this channel grow was whenever I started sharing about my business and making it more business minded. I don't want this channel to just become a cleaning channel, because like I said, I know a majority of you are not here for that content. And so I want to be fair to everybody. And if you are strictly here for sticker videos, I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys that. And so it was a very difficult decision, but I think that that's what I'm gonna do. That's not to say I'll never put a cleaning video up on here, because obviously I'm cleaning my office, but I feel like that ties into sticker stuff. Like, I'm gonna show you guys me organizing my stock and stuff like that, and it fits with the theme of this channel. That is my plan for now, and we'll see how it goes. And I'm gonna drop the link, if you guys do like cleaning videos, I'm gonna drop the link and you can go check out that channel and subscribe if you are interested in that. But I'm gonna try really hard to just keep the theme of this channel sticker shop business related, and the other channel is gonna be complete like organization, decorate with me, that kind of stuff, because I'm super into that as well. That's my little update with that. I'm so sorry if it disappoints you. I've really went back and forth with this, but I just think that this is what's best for me right now. But like I said, that doesn't mean that I'm leaving this channel. I'm still gonna be posting a ton of videos over here all about sticker shop stuff, because I love sharing that with you guys. Now we're gonna get into cleaning this disaster. Okay, you guys, here is the before. I have boxes I need to get rid of. I have paper trash that I need to get rid of, which I have my trash bag over there because I started to clean yesterday, and then I was like, what am I doing? I need to film this. Then I need to organize this cart. I need to organize like sticker stock stuff here. I have more paper trash. I need to clean my filming area. I have like a ton of water bottles over there because apparently I like to drink a lot of water. So yeah, it's just kind of a disaster, and we need to take care of this ASAP. And someone's sleeping on the job, Dixie May. So yeah, So if you guys want to see me clean this messy office, just keep watching. So I am starting on the far right side of my office. This table normally holds my laminator and my ink machine. I don't really do a lot of foiling, so I'm not really sure why I have it set up here, to be honest, because I don't foil at all. I tried it, it's just not for me. I think I need to give up on that dream, but yet I still hold on to these things. I don't know. I just need to give up on it. But that's normally what this table is for, but I kind of got like a little crazy during my sale, and I just kept like throwing stuff on that table because I didn't want to throw it on the floor, but like I threw it on the table. It's not much better, but you know. So I'm just cleaning off this table, and then I'm going to be wiping it down with the Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle spray. And that's because I had it, for some reason I had it already in my office. It was just like sitting on the floor. So I was like, well, we're gonna use this today and, you know, have like savor that last little bit of summer, because I love the honeysuckle scent for summer. So we're just savoring that last little bit of summer before we completely transition into fall. So I'm wiping that down. The laminator machine like always leaves these weird like black marks like where the little legs are on the machine. It's really annoying, but what can you do? So once I have that wiped down, I'm gonna move on to the corner table. And if you guys are wondering, all of these tables are from IKEA. I'm gonna try to link them in my Amazon shop if I can find them, but I absolutely love them. I love my entire office setup, like all the desks and the, what are they called? Shelves and whatever, the drawers. That's what I'm trying to say. Wow. So anyway, back to what I'm actually doing. I'm gathering all of my sticker stock. I don't have a way that I organize this. I really need to get better about this. So let me know if you want to see a video on that, because honestly, I need the motivation to like get my life together and organize my stock. And I don't really carry a lot of stock. So most of the time it's like if somebody ordered that sheet and there's like 2 on a sheet or 4 on a sheet, then I end up with extra, if that makes sense. So that's mainly why I have any stock at all. But if you guys want to see how I plan on organizing that and keeping track of it, let me know and I can definitely do a video on that. So now I'm wiping this down. Like my office just gets so dusty. So I definitely had to wipe everything down and get rid of the dust because nobody's got time for that. So this middle table here is normally where I plan, no, not where I plan. I mean, I do plan there, but it's where I film my Plan With Me videos. And I have this little wood overlay and I get a lot of questions about it. I got it through Amazon. It's going to be linked in my shop. So if you're interested, check that out. I believe it came from China, so it took a little while to get here, but I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. I use it for like the backdrops of my Instagram pictures and of my Plan With Me's, obviously. So I use it all the time. And then I also have these like little lights that I also got on Amazon that help like kind of give extra lighting for my Plan With Me videos. So all around, it's real nice and I love it. So as you can see, the stickers that I use to plan with, like not my stock, but my actual stickers that are from my shop and other shops, they were kind of taking over this table because, like I said, it's where I film my Plan With Me's. And I just kind of piled them up and I didn't really organize or go through them, but I'm going to try to get better about that. Again, if you guys want to see a video on that, let me know because I need the motivation to actually get my life together, you guys. So if you guys want to see a video on it, it helps motivate me to actually get my life together. So this part of my desk also gets super messy because sometimes I'll like sit here and plan while I'm waiting for stuff to print or I'm waiting for stuff to cut. So again, the stickers are just taking over my office, you know, but I mean, hey, it is what it is. Like I'm a sticker shop owner, so I mean, stickers are supposed to take over your office, right? So this part of my office, like this table, it gets super dusty. I'm guessing just because the computer is there, but like behind the computer was so dusty, you guys. Like I didn't even realize it until I actually got in there and cleaning, and I was like, wow, this was like in desperate need of a good wipe down. So I'm really glad that I took the time to clean the office today and get rid of that dust because I'm not about that life, especially with sinus problems. I'm not about all the dust and stuff. So but that is what I'm doing. I'm just kind of moving my computer around and trying to get back behind there because, like I said, it was really, really dusty. So this little shark figure that is on my desk, I get a lot of questions about it, like where did I get it? Where can I buy it? And this was actually a gift from my mom. She got it at one of those pottery painting places, and she painted it and gave it to me for my birthday. So I don't know where you can get it other than checking like a pottery place that like allows you to paint your own pottery. Maybe you can find one there. I don't know. But I absolutely love him. His name is Sticky the shark. And if you guys didn't know, I actually drew a character for my shop, and I have little Sticky the shark stickers. I want to put them back out in the shop, but I don't know. Let me know if you would be interested in that, because I don't feel like I'm the best artist, but I don't know. He still looks cute, I think, so. I also get a lot of questions about the shelves that my machines are on, and this is actually a shoe shelf from Target. I believe it's the 32-inch one. I will try to link it in my Amazon shop if I can find it, but that's just what I use. It works perfectly for my machines. I don't have any issues with lighting or anything. I know that's like always a concern when you have like these type of machines, but I haven't had any issues with that, and I've been using these shelves for probably, I don't know, I want to say like a year and a half maybe. So I really like them. That's where I get them. I know a lot of people always ask me that, so I figured I would just answer it in this Clean With Me video. Moving on to this little cart. I got mine at Michael's, but it's very similar to the one that you can get at IKEA. And this one is just the rose gold colored one. And I got into a bad habit of just setting a bunch of stuff in there, but normally I like to use this for my shipping supplies. So I will put my envelopes on the top and my cello bags and the little scale that I use to weigh all of my packages. I put them in the top section of this, and that way, like when I'm going to fill orders, I can just grab that and start packaging. I just really like that. And then in the middle section, I keep all of my foiling stuff. Like I said, I'm not into foiling as much, but maybe I'll get back to it. I don't know, but I keep all of my foiling stuff in that section. And then at the very bottom, I just have like a paper cutter and a hole punch for the Happy Planner and just random stuff at the bottom. But I really like this cart because it just makes my life a little bit easier. All of the packing supplies is just there together, and I can wheel it over to where I'm sitting, and it just works. As you guys can see, there's a pile of trash on the floor. So a lot of this was just like trash, paper scraps, that kind of stuff. You can tell like over in the corner, there are some like sheets of paper. And those, I want to be clear on that. I'm not using that paper to print stickers. I wouldn't put the sticker paper that I'm using in the pile of trash, just FYI. But those sheets of paper actually had something wrong with them, and I contacted my supplier. They worked everything out for me, but those sheets had like black dots, and I was not gonna be able to print anything on them because everything that I would print on them would just be an oops sticker. So what I decided to do, I didn't want to throw it away, so I decided to use that paper to print out shipping labels because I didn't want to waste it, but it's not perfect enough for me to use for stickers. So here you'll see that I'm going through these bags of ink. I get my ink delivered to me about every 2 weeks, and so I have a pretty nice collection going on, or like backups. I have lots of backups for stuff, but I also have like all these empty ink cartridges, which you're going to see me putting into an online labels container that didn't have any paper left in it. And the reason that I keep these is because you can actually recycle them, and I believe get some money back, I think, through Staples or Office Depot. I think that's their program. Don't quote me on it. I haven't actually done it yet. Normally I throw them away, but I started keeping them to recycle them because I was like, I just need to be good and recycle stuff. But that's why I have so many of those, in case you were wondering. And the last step to cleaning this messy office was, of course, to vacuum. So my vacuum, I don't even know what kind of vacuum I have. It's a something, I don't know, but I'd love to get the Dyson like cordless vacuum, and I think I might be getting it soon. I'm so excited, but I don't want to get my hopes up, but I think I might be getting it soon. So, but until then, I have this vacuum and it works and it does the job. So, you know. Alright guys, so that wraps up this cleaning video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you guys are interested in planner related content, such as opening a sticker shop, supplies and stuff that you need, just watching behind the scenes videos of how it is when you run a shop, plan with me's, all kinds of stuff. Make sure you click the subscribe button down below. And if you guys like cleaning videos, definitely make sure to check out my other channel. I will have it linked down below, and go subscribe. So, all right, but that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.